Pakistan's judicial system could be heading toward a major reshuffle as several judges of the Islamabad High Court may soon be transferred to other high courts across the country. Sources say up to 5 judges of the Islamabad High Court are under consideration for transfer as part of a new process introduced through a recent constitutional amendment. The issue will be discussed on April 28 when the Judicial Commission of Pakistan holds its first meeting under the newly amended law. The amendment introduced through the 27th Constitutional Amendment has significantly changed the rules governing judicial transfers. Previously, a judge's consent was required before being transferred from one court to another. Under the revised Article 200 of the Constitution, the Judicial Commission can now recommend transfers without requiring the judge's consent, after which the President can formally approve the move. According to sources, the judges being considered include Justice Mohsin Akhtar Kayani, Justice Babar Sattar, Justice Arbab Muhammad Tahir, Justice Saman Rafat Imtiaz, and Justice Khadim Hussain Sumro. Source told Dawn that Justice Arbab Muhammad Tahir and Justice Khadim Hussain Sumro could be transferred back to their original provinces. Justice Tahir previously served as Advocate General of Balochistan, while Justice Sumro originally served in the Sindh High Court before being transferred to Islamabad last year. Other judges may be moved to the Lahore High Court and the Peshawar High Court. The proposed transfers are also linked to plans to bring new judges into the Islamabad High Court. Several senior lawyers are reportedly being considered for elevation, including Ayaz Shaukat, Usman J, Rashid Chima, Umair Majid Malik, and Sultan Mazhar Sheikh Khan. Two district and sessions judges Shahrukh Arjaman and Humayun Dilawar are also among the names being discussed. Under the amended constitutional framework, a transferred judge's seniority will still be counted from the date of their original appointment as a High Court judge. However, the law also states that a judge cannot be transferred to a court where they would become senior to the sitting Chief Justice. If that situation arises, the judge would instead receive an additional allowance. The amendment also introduces another key provision: a judge who refuses a transfer could face proceedings before the Supreme Judicial Council under Article 209. The move has already triggered political criticism. The opposition Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf says the amendment could influence the composition of the courts. Party spokesperson Sheikh Waqas Akram described the proposed transfers as controversial and linked them to broader concerns about judicial independence. For now, attention is focused on the April 28 meeting of the Judicial Commission, which could set in motion one of the most significant reshuffles in Pakistan's higher judiciary in recent years.